First of all, double confirm that the Wi-Fi or internet has been shutting down. And then find the file GS, double click on it. Choose English as default setting, and then click on OK. Select Purchase. And we can see there's a request number here. And then we go back to the file and find the file name KG. Double click on it. Put this request number here. Click Generate, and we will see an activation code here. Copy and paste it here. Click on Activate. Then they're running in full mode now. Now this software has been activated. Okay, now we're trying to fix one of those videos. Now double click GS. Select English, because this is the one we just activated. And then choose movie. We just put a video need to be repaired and a good movie in the video file. So we choose movie. Select the file need to be repaired. And choose reference movie, which is in good condition. Then click on Scan.
Oh.
So we can see the fixed repaired video named file need to be repaired MP4. This is the correct movie. And then close it. Double click on the video file. Repaired.
我们发现刚才的那个视频已经被修复了，双击这个。
So
修复的视频在这里。
So this is the repaired movie.
这就修复好了。
Okay. So we can see it worked. Sure.